Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Tonight I am going to use my spinner again. I would like to do a couple of tiles that are inspired by butterfly wings. So I am using a black topper, and then on one of them I'm using reds, oranges, and yellows, and on the other I think I'm using purple and gold. So just want to kind of play around with it and see how it works. If it works good, then I may do it on a canvas. So let's just put our pillow paint down. So I am loving the spinner. I've used it twice and it is so much fun. And besides doing blooms, I'm going to try some other stuff too. But right now I am really loving blooms on it. So let's see. I think I'll start with the orange. And I'm going to do this red. I want to do this orange again. And all my materials will be listed in the description box below. I'm using a bunch of different colors, so just want to go ahead and list them below. It's easier so that you catch it all. All right, now I'm adding the yellow. And this yellow is a primary element. It's called daffodil. Okay, now I have to test my topper to see if it's working. So we will try it. This is the Liquitex Mars Black. So we will see. Looks like it's a pretty good consistency. All right, let me just blow it out. We are getting some cell action. Not as much as I had hoped. So I will add a little bit more water, just a couple drops of water to this. Try again on the next one. Then I'm going to go ahead and spin this one out once it has risen back up to the top. So just give me a minute. All right, well that actually took a couple minutes for it to finish rising up, but it has now done it. So let's just start spinning it. It has some interesting patterns. It's just not like a whole lot of lacing. It's more like cells. Excuse me. So, but it's still really pretty. It still reminds me of butterfly wings, I think. We'll see. All right. Keep spinning. Wow, looking pretty good. I'm going to do a little bit more. I'd like it to go off a little bit more. Wow. I think that's really pretty. All right, just gonna help it go off the edge right there. Other than that, okay. Now let's do some purples and maybe a little yellow with the purple, I think. Okay. That was the Liquitex Basics. Quinacridone. No. Start Made a Lion. I don't know. It's one of the purples. I will have it in the description box below. But for sure, this is a Primary Elements called Sweet Thistle. Liquitex Basics Primary Yellow. And then just a little bit of the Daffodil Primary Elements. I'm gonna have to mix up some new of this soon. Okay, that's enough anyway. All right, our black topper. Let's see if we got it. Oh, I forgot to put the Minwax in here. The Minwax Free Wood Conditioner, that's what the dill is. That's the difference. Okay. Around 5 drops is what we usually go for on this. Okay. And you want it to be mixed in pretty good. Okay. All right, that's what we have. And I'll be right back. Okay, let's just start spinning it. See how it comes out. Well, it is really pretty. It still needs to go off the corners just a little bit. So let's spin just a little bit more. Okay. Wow, that is gorgeous. Okay, let's just pop it up here. Make sure the corners are, the edges are covered. Okay, there it is. Wow. I think that really looks like a butterfly wing right there. So cool. The whole thing is really pretty. All right, I will bring you in for close-ups. All right, here's the close-up on the first one that we did. You can see the shimmer from the daffodil. It's really stunning. It's a lot of white because I didn't put as much paint on there probably as I should have. But I still like it. It's a different look. But the center of that, look at that. So pretty. All right. Well, and then here is this one. And on camera, the yellow is coming out a lot stronger than it actually is in real life. But it is just stunning. Those purples, so pretty. And I would say that it is a little reminiscent of a butterfly wing. And that's because of the black topper. All right, well, there is that one. There they are together. That was so fun. Thanks for hanging with me. I would try these again on a canvas. Really enjoying doing this. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. And please like and subscribe. Be inspired.